Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today this video we are talking about donating a car for a tax credit. Donating a car for a tax credit is a charitable act. Okay, that can benefit both donor and the recipient organizations. However, it's important to understand the intricacies of the process to ensure you maximize your tax benefits while also contributing to a worthy cause. Here are detailed note about donating a car for a tax credit. First is our purpose of donating a car. Donating a car to a qualified charitable organization is a way to support their mission and also provide potential tax benefits to the donor. The second is eligible charities. To claim a tax reduction, you must donate your vehicles to an IRS recognized tax implement 501 Act C53 organization. Religious organizations and government agencies are typically eligible as well. Our third step is determine fair market value. The tax reduction you can claim is based on the fair market value of the car. This is usually not the same as the car blue book value. You can need to obtain an appreciation for high value vehicles. And now we are discussing about our fourth step, which is that the tax deduction process. When you donate a car, you will receive a tax receipt from the charity which will include details about the donation such as the date and the vehicle description. To claim the reduction, you need to itemize your deductions which you file your federal income tax return using form 1040. If the car value exceeds 500, you will need to fill our section A of IRS form 8283. Our next and fifth step is the IRS have several rules and limitations regulating car donation. You cannot deduct the value of your car if it's worth more than you adjust gross income AGI. You cannot, and it's if the charity sells the donated vehicle, your deduction is typically limited to the gross proceeds from the sale. The IRS may synchronize large deductions, so it's circular to maintain proper documentation and adhere to tax rule. Charitable organization use of the vehicle. Some charities may use the donation vehicle for their operation while others may sell it to fund their program. Ensure you understand how the charity intends to use your donations. So, our last and the final step is consult a tax professional. Car donation and car deduction may be complex. It's advisable to consult with a tax professional or accountant to ensure you follow all IRS guidelines and maximize your benefit. In summary, Now we will donating a car for a tax credit can be meaningful way to support a charitable case while potential or receiving tax benefits. However, it's circular to follow IS rules. So I will give you all the information which I know. So if you watch this video at the end, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you to the next video. Bye.